and we're doing a little Dave and Buster's wing mukbang. Okay, so I've got some of the Dave and Buster's barbecue wings here. They're very tasty, very moist, succulent, falling off the bone. Let's try one. Very good. Falls right off the bone. I'm gonna give them a 10 for 10. And you gotta wash it down with a tropical mojito. Refreshing. Now we're gonna try Babe's Pink Rita, Pink Penny, Popping Panner. Ooh. Make you wanna dance like that. Shimmy the shoot, chop, shoot, shoot, shoot. So Babe's talking, and I'm tasting her Pink Rita.